Hello, hi, and welcome back to the channel. Let's recap Scandal ETV. Now, guys, this is so obvious. Bowie is after Toriso's husband, and this is so sad. So Toriso's husband has gotten a campaign gig, okay, to make $1 million. Now, one thing that I don't trust is this Rui, who is somehow the manager of this campaign, okay? She has completely changed Toriso's husband's wardrobe. Guys, please remind me, what is Toriso's husband's name? I seem to forget his name. What is his name? Toffee? I'm not sure. But for the sake of this review, let's call him Toffee. So, I mean, he does look good. I'm not gonna lie. The look has upgraded his looks, okay? The looks that he had before, it kind of made him to look like a child in a way, like he did look a lot younger than he is. This one has totally upgraded his look, okay? However, Bowie, I don't trust Bowie, okay? The second she said that Toriso should be left at home when Toffee was going fitting, that is when I was like, no, there is something odd about this sis right here. Sis, do you want Toriso's husband? Do you want him for yourself? He's married, for God's sake. And I feel like Dinkle also clocked it. You know, Dinkle looked at her hair like, ma'am, what is it that you're doing? You know, what do you think you're doing? Honestly, you know, because you are talking to a married man. This is a married man. Why? Why are you pursuing a married man? Don't you think that this is wrong? Okay. Toriso is trying to be a super understanding wife, even though she has talked about her consent to her mom. She's like, listen, mom, I'm a bit concerned. I don't know if I'm being paranoid, but I'm concerned, about Toffee and how he wants to spend his money, because he has just publicly said, listen, this is how he wants to spend his money. He see it fits that he spends his money on his family. And, since the fact that his family has raised him in hardship, this, that, and the other thing, he thinks that's the best thing to do for his family is to show maybe appreciation, give back to his family, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, of course, no one will ever be against a man who wants to show back his appreciation to his family. But of course, because he's a married man, he should discuss it with his wife first. That's common sense, okay? Now I am so scared for Ntutuko. I can't even compose myself, okay? Seems like Ntutuko was drinking. And let me tell you, his mom has been insisting and telling him that, Ntutuko, you need to stop alcohol. Ntutuko, you need to stop alcohol. And Ntutuko has not really been budging in, or into the fact that he has to stop alcohol. He has just continuously been drinking alcohol with no shame, okay, with absolutely no shame. And now I think he has gotten himself into a lot more trouble than he think he could ever take or maintain, okay? He has somehow hit someone with a bottle, and I think it was just in a minute of anger, and he hit someone with a bottle. I don't know what I saw, but I did see someone collapsing, and I'm like, oh, Ntutuko, my boy, you cannot be in so much trouble. I'm sorry, you cannot be in so much trouble, because this will put you in definite trouble. Like, you will be in so much trouble, and I'm praying and I hope, and you could tell that as soon as he realizes that this person has collapsed, he became sober. Like, he became sober within seconds and minutes, and he was like terrified, like, oh my gosh, what have I done? I'm like, what have you done?
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm back yet again reviewing one of your Mzansi favorites soapies, and in this video we are reviewing Scandal ETV. Yey wekazini ave ezalelwe yinja endlini nkosi yami uMahlomo, ngaze ngazwelana noMahlobo nkosi yami isono. So yeah guys, uMother in Love kaMadlomo made it clear ukuthi nje yena angeke ehlale nje engayisupport ingane yakhe uNhloso ephethwe phela yizinkanuko. So yeah guys, what surprises me here ukuthi mother in love kaMahlomo uyeza lana uzobuza uMahlomo ukuthi kahle kahle kuhamba kanjani phakathi kwakhe benendodana yakhe phela uNhloso. uMahlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayi no kuyahamba khona akufani. Useyabuza ngilana ukuthi kodwa yona inkonzo yasekamereni isabanjwa nje. Hayi-ke uMahlomo uyasho ukuthi no inkonzo yasekamereni okwamanje kusathiwe nje pause, uMother in Love uyachaza ngelokho ukuthi no akuyona-ke nje into enhle ukupauza phela noma ukumisa inkonzo yasekamereni, ngoba inkonzo yasekamereni iyona esikhathini esiningi evamise ukusondeza abantu noma ukwenza abantu bezizwe phela besondelene. Mangabe ke isifakiwe futhi kupause akube kusaba yinto enhle. Ayike uMahlomo ngelana uyasho ukuthi no yena nje akanayo inkinga nencane le inkinga nokuthi phela inkonzo yasekamereni ifakwe kupause. Uyasho ngelana uMahlomo ukuthi noma isingamiswa unomphele, ayike bandla uMother in Love wabe nje lahlekelwe, she lost her mind and she then said lalela lawe ntombazane Mahlomo uwena umamkhulu wala ekhaya, futhi ngoba umamkhulu wala ekhaya nje usuzoba nomnakweni, awufuni-ke phela ukuthi uNhloso ehambe eyohlala kamnakwenu engabe nje esabuya la ekhaya. Ayike uMahlomo yasho ukuthi kanti khulekayo wema anginayo nje mina inkinga ngisho nencane, noma ngathiwa uNhloso uyahamba uyohlala kamnakwethu akasabuyi nje kuzobe vele kusayifanele. And uyasho ke lana uMahlomo ukuthi kusiza ngani ukugxila enkonzweni yasekamereni, ngoba nangalesikhathi besagxilile kakhulu enkonzweni kwasekamereni, lokho akukaze kumenze umyeni wakhe ukuthi ethembeke kuyena, so kusazifanela. And uMother in Love uyasho ke lana ukuthi no yena mhlawumbe izinsuku zakhe zokuthi ethuthe ebuyele ngasekhaya seziya ngokufika, so therefore uMahlomo lo kuzomela kube uyena uzofundisa umnakwabo ukuthi izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Wavuka nje libomvu uMahlomo ethubani yena, mina ngifundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto la ekhaya ngifile ngoba nje into engasoze ngayenza leyo, asoze sobe ngakwazi mina ukufundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto zala ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Uyasho lana ukuthi yena nje mangabe kukhona umuntu ayoke emfundise ukuthi ini kuyobe kuwumfazi-ke kaThuthuka, futhi yena ngoba nalapho kuyobe kumphoqa. Hayi-ke kuthe kusenjalo wangena uLuntuzana. Guys, ngisacela ukunibuza lana ukuthi ngokwenu ukubona ngabe nibone ngathi uMother in Love ufe yini Nkosi yami, noma uMother in Love Nkosi yami usecacisile phela ukuthi no, if she has to choose a side, she will definitely choose her son's side, which in a way ngiyamblame uMother in Love, in a way I can blame ekugcineni kosuku uNhloso iyona ndodana yakhe yange impela. So ke guys, uNhloso yelana futhi uyakhuluma ke noMahlomo. uNhloso guys, hayi ngeke shame akhona yini ngempela amadoda afana noNhloso? Ngiyazi phela mina into enjeni, uNhloso kahle uyasigila. So ke uNhloso ke lana ubusy ke uphansi phezulu, uyafuna uyacinga umatasatasa, ucinga ke phela yona incwadi yamalobolo. Ubuza ngisho uMahlomo isibindi sikaNhloso sokubusa uMahlomo ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi incwadi yamalobolo ikuphi. Hayi bo wenhloso khuzeka wenhloso, unqandeka kuse futhi. uMahlomo ke lana uyasho ukuthi lalela ke Nhloso, angiyazi nje mina incwadi yakhe yamalobolo, and uyasho ke lana ukuthi no ngisacela sikhulume. uNhloso uyamdismissa ukuthi no sizobuye sikhulume, kodwa okwamanje ngisafuna incwadi yamalobolo so that sizohamba siyoyenza umshado wethu ukuthi ube right, ube legally mina noZinhle, so that mina nawe sizophinde sishade futhi.
uMadlomo uyashokelana ukuthi kahle kahle iyona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngawe leyo. Mina ngifisa wazi ukuthi angifuni ukuphinde ngishade nawe noma ukuphinde ngivuselele umshado wethu phakathi kwami nawe. Ngihappy nje ngokuthi umshado wethu usuhlezi ku divorce. uNhloso uyashokelana ukuthi hayibo ukhuluma ngani manje Mahlobo, engani sasikhulumile vele nasekuqaleni ukuthi sizolontuza sizohlukanisa so that ngizokwazi ukushada uDinhle. So as soon as I'm done ngendaba kaDinhle sizohamba siyovuselela umshado wethu. Yey uMahlomo vele asihlalela wenhloso, wena wakhuluma mina ngamamela. Mina nje into esengifisa ukuthi uyazi njengamanje ukuthi mina ngikhathele ngitikiwe finish, okay, ukuthi ngibe umfazi wakho. Ukuba umfazi wakho nje sekuyanginyanyisa, angisakuthandi. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo, stand your ground wena Mahlomo. Like I've been rooting for uMahlomo to stand her ground. I've been team Mahlomo all the way. Ngithi yes wena Mahlomo, I am all in support for you. What you are actually doing, I'm in support. Okay, be you, okay? And it appears yelana ukuthi uNhloso Nkosami cares a little, cares a little nge-opinion kaMadlomo, nanokuthi uMadlomo uzizwa kanjani ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Kodwa-ke guysini akusena ndaba Nkosi yami, like honestly, like for me angisenayo indaba engako, as long as uMahlomo is now standing her ground, as long as uMahlomo, she's now this person who's just like lalela wenhloso sengikhathele like sengi-right wena, ndidikiwe, ndi-sharp, ndi-finish nje. I just wish for you to understand ukuthi you have taken so much from me. And since you have taken so much from me, I am honestly tired and have no desire to continue being your wife, okay? Ngifuna ukuthi sehlukaniso sibe khona, sibe nje right and present, okay? Meanwhile, on the other side, Dinhle, she's trying so hard to explain to her kids so that they would understand ukuthi kahle kahle what is polygamy. It seems like Dinhle's kids don't understand what is polygamy and all that. And Dinhle also is trying to justify it as much as she can. Which no, polygamy is not as bad as you think. Polygamy is actually a good thing. It brings families together. It avoids divorce, this and that. Well, we all know, of course, Dinhle will be in support and favor of polygamy because right now, uyena uzoba umamncane, okay? But if tables were turned, Dinhle was actually in Mahlomo's shoes, she was gonna be crying, okay? She was gonna be crying and she was never gonna understand ukuthi ngobani kuzoze kuthiwa kuba nepolygamy, ngoba kwenzenjani polygamy, ngoba kwenzenjani, but ke guysini, because uzoba umamncane, I mean it's all roses right now. Uthi nje no, it's tempo, yona into right, it avoids black families breaking up, this and that, okay? So guysini, please, while sisakhuluma ngoMahlomo, can you all tell me, like, let's just predict, okay? What do you all think? Do you think ukuthi uMahlomo lona do you think ukuthi uMahlomo she will actually not go uzohlala uMahlomo until or accepts uDinhle njengoba mncane, because uMahlomo usihlalile Nkosi yami, wayeshila ukuthi nje yena angeke sekwazi, but at the end of the day, she just have people who influences her and she end up just accepting ukuthi it is what it is, what choice do I have, this is my man. Do you think this time around uMahlomo is standing on business? Mahlomo is standing on business and she's just like lalela, andifuna kwazi ukuthi ini akuyona ini, like I don't even wanna know at this point, like it's none of my business. I don't wanna know. Nje mina into engiyaziyo for sure ukuthi ngizothatha imithwalo yami off gone. Do you all think uMahlomo, like, she have it in her? She have it in her to just be like, lalela, this is me gone right now. This is me gone. This is me going. Like, I would love for uMahlomo to leave uNhloso, honestly. I feel like uNhloso just deserves udinhle wakhe, and uMahlomo deserve ukuthi ayikhulisele ingane zakhe in peace. And uNhloso at some point uyasho lana ukuthi no, if that's the case, then it's fine. He will not argue with his wife uMahlomo. Rather, he will make sure ukuthi uMahlomo umnikeza ispace bese yena eyayihambela eyayela and then he will go to live with uDinhle. Yes, Sana. I don't know. Is this the end of Mahlomo and Nhloso's marriage? It has been long coming. Honestly. This marriage should end. Meanwhile, we have uThalita. Why is Thalita having so many secrets? Like, what? Why? Okay, I don't know. Somehow, someway, uThalita have a child that is not his. Or rather, is it his? I don't know. But somehow, Thalita have a child that is not his and has been raising it with her husband, and somehow uBridget find out, and now uBridget is threatening uThalita. At some point, uThalita was even considering working with Mthunzi. Guys, like, this is not like Thalita. Like, Thalita, my ma'am, who have you been? Okay, so uThalita is now working with Mthunzi, and they're now like conspiring how to get rid of Bridget, because Bridget has been sniffing, okay? And as soon as Bridget finds this information, she's gonna take the information to her husband, and that's the last thing she wants, okay? It seems like uThalita, she is on the mission of protecting herself and protecting her secret, And I'm like, Thalita babe, like, make it make sense, okay? Make it make sense at this point. Why do you have so much secrets? But anyway, I love the fact that Thalita agreed to eliminate uBridget, but she couldn't bring herself to it, She then calls uBridget in panic, in panic mode, to say, hey, Bridget, where are you? And wants Bridget to run away from the location, because that's the location that she had set up that Bridget will be eliminated in. And luckily, guys, Bridget is fine. Bridget was not harmed by Mthunzi. And at this point, uThalita really does not have a choice but to, kind of disclose her secrets to Bridget. And it does not look like Bridget is as willing, as willing to keep a secret for uThalita, which I'm like, okay, but Bridget, bro, why are you poking your nose into other people's business? Like, your nose does not belong, and your nose is inside within other people's business, and this is not cute at all, but yeah, it does seem like as soon as uThalita Bridget finds out, because Bridget is very much close with uThebs, it does appear as if the first thing that she will do, she will just go and indulge everything with uThebs. Like, Thebs, oh, your mother have scandals in her bag, and this is what I found out about your mother. Guys, do you think that Thalita at this point should have just been like, it's his fate, let it be? Whatever that was meant to happen to Bridget will happen, and it's none of my business. Let fate play its role. Do you think Thalita was supposed to approach this whole thing with that mindset? At this point, I do. At this point, I do, and I don't care if it makes me a bad person, because Thalita, babe, mind your own business. Like, for real, mind your own mind your own business, Thalita. Like, for real, at this point, it's like, for real, mind your own business. yo uThalida guys like uyangistressa.